In this question, you have to identify which is not an autoimmune disease. Option A, psoriasis. It is incorrect because psoriasis is an autoimmune disease where the immune system attacks the skin cells, leading to scaly patches. Option B, rheumatoid arthritis. It is also incorrect because rheumatoid arthritis is also an autoimmune disorder in which the immune system attacks the joints, causing inflammation, pain, and eventually the joint may get totally damaged. Option C, vitiligo. It is also incorrect because in vitiligo, which is an autoimmune disease, the immune system attacks the melanocytes, that is the pigment producing cells, leading to loss of skin color but in patches. Option D, Alzheimer's disease. Now, Alzheimer's is a neurodegenerative disease which is mainly characterized by progressive loss of memory and cognitive function, and it is associated with the buildup of this amyloid plaque and tangles in the brain. But this is not an autoimmune disorder. Hence, it is the correct option.